guys, this is Henry with Neighborhood Carpet Cleaners. Clean apartment on the 3rd floor out here in Woodbridge, Virginia. This is 1 bedroom. Then you got the hallway. I've already pre-vacuumed and pre-treated, so the stains are not as prevalent, but it gets a little bit worse. There's a dining room here. Then you got the living room. It's a 2-bedroom apartment. And then we're going to go ahead into the 2nd bedroom. Get a reference point. Unfortunately, I can't record as I work. I'm using a rotovac, so it takes a 2-minute operation to do that in video. So I'll catch you guys with after video. Stand by. Alright, this is Henry with Neighborhood Carpet Cleaners. Just finished here in Woodbridge, Virginia, and the 2-bedroom apartment. As you can see, there's a drastic difference here. The hallway. Then you got the dining room. Perfect. Then you got the living room. Drastic difference. Night and day. So in this application, we went ahead and used probiotics like always. Although there's a move out, I still like to use probiotics because it's healthier for me as I clean. There you go. Ma'am, how would you say we did overall?
I think you done an outstanding job.
An outstanding job. Thank you. You like the results?
I do. I like
Okay.
the results.
Did you?
Compared to what it was.
Right. Did you anticipate that it would even get like this?
Yes. No, I didn't.
You didn't?
No.
Yeah. Okay. Good. All right. So you heard the client. She likes the results, and if you guys also like it, please subscribe and also like this video and share it. All right. Thank you.